Okay, 40 minutes for the daily to close, August 17, Tuesday. So we have been, this is the weekly, I'm putting the monthly. So the monthly, which I like to trade, we are still above this support here. We are facing resistance from that area around there on that week. Basically, we need to close above this area where we are at the moment, more or less at the moment, for the month to keep on going. But still, like 13 days to go, so it's still a while. Let's see what the price is telling us. If we close above here and above there, I can still see going there to the 57.58. And we already, as supports, those are the resistance supports. We already come to test this one. Where is the next one? Will be this week here and this week here. So around 42 area, that's the support, which is also this candle close on that little wick above. This is the support, which we are holding already with this candle, but we might still come to test as support. But this is the monthly, let's see. And of course, we need to close above this one, or especially above. If we lose this one, it starts to get very tricky. If we lose 35, if we still hold the 37, still okay, but to keep the bullish momentum like Bitcoin likes to do with big green, 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 we need to hold basically the 41, 42 as support. So that's the support that you need to see Bitcoin holding, 42, for around 42 area, but to keep it more bullish, it's the 45 area that needs to hold basically this one, this area we are, but we can have some consolidation. Indicators RSI pointing up, but remember 70 is resistance. Let's see what we do. Very simple with the monthly candles to see where are the supports and resistances. They have been working quite well. So on the weekly with the volume profile, we are already red. We have been just being the three white soldiers, then follow up with another green one above all the moving averages. Remember the 21 and the 12 are still below the 20 and they need to go above. So to have all in order, to have the bull run, so we can still have some volatility, consolidation. And we need to hold the moving averages here. Very simple. In terms of weekly support resistance, we are rejecting the very, also this one, which is one of the strong ones. So this is this candle's close, which is also this candle close. So this is a huge resistance, 48.8 here, but if we close above on the weekly, we can go to this one. It's where are also the liquidity. I think this is the target, puts everyone bullish or euphoria, holding supports, and then we might come down or go up. Nobody knows. So for now, it's buying the dips. Very easy for stop losses using the monthly and the weekly. Support will be here as well. This candle close, this candle close, closes above, below this one. If we come down to the 50 again, starts to be more tricky. Although Bitcoin can make very big bear traps and push higher from here, but I think we need to hold to keep the bullish momentum, all this area. Okay, so bull volume decreasing. Indicator already starting to point down. We got the daily double top. We come here, reject, and we did a double top here. We came for this liquidity, also with the volume profile, and now we are coming to test some supports to see if we have enough strength to go there. I'm not putting any trend lines yet, just to be more simple. We need to hold this area, this area. It's better we don't lose the higher low on the daily, so this is very easy for risk management. And then you see where the price comes and starts to hold as support. Bear volume coming, indicators on the daily pointing down. Remember, we have been just going up, up, up. We can have some volatility coming. This was a double top. We reach this liquidity here, and now with the trend lines, we are still below the one that comes from 2017. and we might come to test this one again, this one that comes from this top, the tops of Bitcoin, and try to see if it holds alongside with the moving average on the weekly. So this trend line needs to hold. This one, we bounced from this one, we bounced from this one, and now we are trying to hold this trend line that we can be here for a while, and let's see if then we have enough strength. If we start closing above this one, we can go to that one. So area by area, everything is quite well defined, and the price will tell you. Bear volume coming, indicators pointing down. So due for some consolidation on the weekly. The weekly will be very important, but the daily as well, to see where we are on this area. So this was a double top. It came from here, and let's see. So we came here. Let's see if we do a bear trap here, or if we come down to the 200s, to this area. But if we start losing on the 4 hours this one, so we should hold, we need to hold this area. The 45, it's good, around 45, it's good that we hold this area here. If we break this one, we can have something like this, and we can also break, come down, put everyone bearish, and go up. So we can still come down here to this area, put everyone bearish, hold, and push higher. Nobody knows. Just be prepared. Double top here. Now, time for some consolidation. Taking profits, buying the dips. Risk management, very easy, with the moving average and the monthly and the weekly supports. Okay? So this is where we are. This is the 2 hours. And yeah, all right. Remember, RSI is oversold. Not yet. Four hours. Still a long way until we come to the oversold. But if we come down here, it's possible. So just be prepared. Take profits. And yeah. This has been, as we can see, quite precise. Bouncing here, we can bounce, now come to this area. Let's see what happens.